Good morning, Orchard Hollow Huskies. This is Mrs. Harris with your morning announcements. Today is Monday, December 7th, 2020. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now we will say the Orchard Hollow Best Pledge. To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my mind and motions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, treat others as they should treat me. I will reach higher to be my best self at Orchard Hollow. There are no birthdays today at Orchard Hollow. And now for our joke of the day. Where does a snowman keep his money? In a snowbank, of course. This week, we want you to help us spread some holiday cheer by taking part in one or all of the Orchard Hollow theme days before break. Monday is Spirit of the Season. That's today. Wear your red and green and start the countdown. Tuesday will be Tree Topper Day. Dig out your favorite holiday hat, headband, or tree topper to wear. On Wednesday, it'll be Baby, It's Cold Outside. Wear your winter gear. Think earmuffs, scarves, jackets, and vests. On Thursday will be Deck the Halls. Bring out your favorite holiday accessories. Think jewelry, necklaces, garlands. On Friday will be the Polar Express, and you'll wear some school-appropriate pajamas. Let's have some fun with our 12 days of holiday spirit. A reminder that we are on our fully remote schedule today. 8:45 to 9:15 is morning meeting. 9:15 to 10:45 is your literacy block. 10:45 to 11 is your snack break. 11 to 12:30 is your math block. 12:30 to 1:15, you'll have a lunch break. 1:15 to 1:45 is social studies, science, and writing. And 1:45 to 2 p.m. is your closing meeting. Make it a great day, Huskies.